Hello my dear students, how are you all? All of you fine? Okay, very good. In the last class we started our fourth unit. What's the name of our fourth unit? Yeah, the lost child. We discussed some part of the story. Okay. What are the things that we are discussing in our last class? Do you remember? Yeah. Where the story is happening? Yeah, the story is happening in a fairground. A beautiful sights or what the beautiful things is having in the fairground. Okay, there we discussed about a boy and his parents. Okay, in a fairground, the boy see loads of things is there. Okay, he want to buy the things, but his father did not allow him to buy that. First, he see in the fairground a loads of toys. At this time, he asked his father, "Father, I want that toy." At this time, his father looked him in a red eye and he did not buy him that toy. Then he continue or move again in the fairground. Then he see the loads of sweets, laddu, jalebi, and something like that. The laddu was his favorite sweet. By seeing this, he said that he wanted that laddu. His mouth was watered. He know that when he said like that, his father would say that he was a great boy. He was a great, like that he say, like that way. That's why he did not ask for that. Okay, now all of you take page number 100. Colors far away. The colors far away. Okay, look at the picture. What are the things as you can see there? Yeah, the boy and his parents are there. Okay, what are the other things is? A man is standing there. What are the things is having in his hand? Yeah, there are some balloons in his hand. Okay, he was a balloon seller. What is the back of the boy? There are loads of flowers. A flower garland. A garland is there. Okay, that we can see in that picture. Okay, first I read this paragraph. You listen carefully. A garland of jasmine, a garland of jasmine. A flower seller shouted, "I want that garland," the child murmured. But without waiting for an answer, he moved on. Okay, from the fairground, now they reached in a garland, a flower shop. Okay, from there, the flower seller said that a garland of jasmine, a garland of jasmine. What's the meaning of garland? പൂമാല അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പൂക്കളുടെ ഒരു മാലക്കാണ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഗാർലൻഡ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ മുല്ലപ്പൂമാല വിൽക്കുകയാണ് അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ അദ്ദേഹം വിളിച്ച് പറയുകയാണ്, എ ഗാർലൻഡ് ഓഫ് ജാസ്മിൻ, എ ഗാർലൻഡ് ഓഫ് ജാസ്മിൻ. എ ഫ്ലവർ സെല്ലർ ഷൗട്ടഡ്, ഹി സെഡ് loudly, "I want that garland." The child murmured. Okay, by seeing the garland, the child said that, "I want that garland." The child murmured. He said in a small voice. He said himself, "I want that garland." But without waiting for an answer, he moved on. But he said that, I want that garland of jasmine himself, or in a small voice. He know that his father did not buy that to him. That's why he did not wait there and he continued his walking there. Okay. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, green, red and purple balloons. The child stood there watching the balloons. He wished to have them all, but he knew that his parents would never buy him the balloons. They would say he was too old to play with such things. So he walked on. Okay, after he moved on from the flower selling shop, then they reached in the balloons. Okay, a man stood holding a pole. Pole means stick. Okay, a man stood holding a pole with yellow, green, red and purple balloons. Okay, a man holding a stick. The stick having different colors of balloons. By seeing that, the child stood there watching the balloons. Okay, we know that all the children are like balloons very much. I seeing the balloons, he just stopped there and look at the balloons. He wished to have them all. He the balloons. He liked to play with the balloons. But he knew that his parents would never buy him the balloons. That was the wish, or that was the wish of the boy. But he knew that his parents did not buy that balloons to him. He know that. That's why he looked to the balloons very interestingly. They would say he was too old to play with such things. Okay, when he asked her for the balloons, they maybe said that he was too old to play with such things. എന്താണ് ഇപ്പം ബലൂണ് വെച്ച് കളിക്കുന്ന പ്രായമല്ല, അവൻ ഒരുപാട് വലുതായിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്ന് അവൻ്റെ പാരൻസ് പറയും. അപ്പോഴും അവന് ബലൂണ് വേണമെന്ന് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് പറയും? അവനിപ്പോൾ ബലൂണ് വെച്ച് കളിക്കുന്ന പ്രായമല്ല, അവനിപ്പോൾ ഒരുപാട് വലുതായിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്ന് അവന് പറയും. സോ ഹി വാക്ക്ഡ് ഓൺ. ഓക്കെ, ബൈ നോയിങ് ദാറ്റ് ഹി കണ്ടിന്യൂ ഹിസ് വാക്കിംഗ്. He was so sad because lots of things is having in the fairground, but his parents did not buy anything to him. That's why he is very sad. Okay, there are some questions there. Will the balloon man give him balloons? Will the balloon man give him balloons? What are the other sights you would come across in the festival fair? What are the other things you can see in a festival fair? Okay, why was the boy sure that his parents would never buy him balloons? Why was the boy sure that his parents would never buy him balloons? What was the reason? He knew that his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such things. Okay, that's why he was sure his parents did not buy the balloons. Okay, take the next page. Cries unheard. Cries unheard. The cries are unheard. Heard means we can hear. Unheard, we can't hear anything. Okay, the cries unheard. Suddenly he heard a creaking sound nearby. Children were roaring with laughter. He ran to that place. Men, women and children were riding on a giant wheel in a whirling motion. I want to go on the giant wheel. Please, father, mother, the child pleaded earnestly. Okay, what are the things? Look at the picture. What are the things there? Yeah, there are lots of playing things are there. Okay, suddenly he heard a creaking sound nearby. Okay, when he lived in the balloon cellar, he walked or he reached in a ground. There he heard a creaking sound nearby. Okay, what is the sound? Creaking. Children were roaring with laughter. From the sound, he can also hear the roaring sound of the children. All the children are very happy. That's why they are making a roaring. അലറിച്ച് എന്താണ് അവർ ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷത്തോടെ ചിരിച്ച് അലറുന്ന ശബ്ദം അവൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? തൊട്ടടുത്ത് തന്നെ കേട്ടു. He ran to that place. When he heard that sound, he ran to that place. Men, women and children were riding on a giant wheel. Men, women and children were riding on a giant wheel. Can you see a giant wheel there? എന്താണ് giant wheel എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താണ്? ഒരു ഭീമചക്രം അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ പാർക്കിലൊക്കെ പോകുന്ന സമയത്ത് കാണാം. വലിയ കൊട്ട, ചാറ്റുകൊട്ട എന്നൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ പറയില്ലേ, അതിൽ ആടുന്നത് അവൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഇങ്ങനെ കണ്ടു. Okay, children were riding on a giant wheel in a whirling motion. They are in round. Whirling means round. All the children's men and the women are riding on a giant wheel. They are riding in a whirling motion, in a round motion. Okay, I want to go on the giant wheel. Okay, by hearing their laughter or roaring sound and by seeing the motions of the giant wheel, he says that I want to go on the giant wheel. He said that I want to go on the giant wheel. Please, father, mother. At this time when he see the giant wheel and the lots of people are there in the giant wheel, by seeing that he get very interest and he said to his father and mother, father, I want to go on the giant wheel. I want to play with that giant wheel. He said that. The child pleaded earnestly. Earnestly means interestingly. He placed his parents very interestingly. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there. He looked at the both sides. He could not find them there. He looked around. There was no sign of them. Okay, when he said to his parents that I want to go on that January, father, mother, he called them like that way. When he looked there, or when he looked them, there is no his parents, his father and mother were not there. Okay, there was no reply. When he said like that, there was no reply. He turned to look at his parents by saying, he turned his back, but there is no his parents, they were not there. There his father and mother were not there. He looked at the both sides. He looked there and here and here. He can't see them. He could not find them there. He looked around. There was no sign of them. Okay, he looked his back and he looked here and there, all the around of the ground, but there is no sign of them. He is very sad. Okay, they left him in the fairground. Maybe they left him in that fairground. There are two questions there. Why didn't the child's parents reply to the child's request? What's the reason? Yeah, they are not there. When he said and he turned back, he can't see his parents. That's why they reply for his question. What happened to them? What happened to the child's parents? Okay, all of you take the next page. Esau. Father, mother, he called aloud. He began to cry in real fear. Tears rolled down from his eyes. He ran hither and thither in all directions. He didn't know where to go. Mother, father, he cried. He ran through the crowd, calling out, Father, mother. Okay. Father, mother, he called aloud. Okay. When he back, he can't see his parents. After that, he called them aloud. Father, mother, he called in the fairground. He began to cry in real fear. Now he was very feared. Then he started to cry. He began to cry. Tears rolled down from his eyes. Tears are rolled down from his eyes. Okay. When he can't see his parents, there are loads of people are gathered in the fairground. Among them, he can't find out his parents. That's why he started to cry. The tears are rolled out from his eyes. He ran hither and thither. He ran here and there. എല്ലായിടത്തേക്കും അങ്ങനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടൊക്കെ ഓടാൻ തുടങ്ങി. In all direction, all the right direction. He ran here and he ran there. He ran all the directions. He did not know where to go. Now he did not know where he wanted to go. They can't find him anywhere. Okay, mother, father, he cried. Now he again cried by calling father, mother. വലിയ ഒരുപാട് ആൾക്കാർ ഒരുമിച്ച് കൂടിയിരിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലമാണല്ലേ. അവിടെ നിന്നിട്ട് അവനെ ഉറക്കെ വിളിച്ച് കരയാൻ തുടങ്ങി. അച്ഛാ, അമ്മയെ എന്നൊക്കെ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് അവൻ ഒരുപാട് കരയാൻ തുടങ്ങി. He ran through the crowd. He ran through the crowd. Okay, calling out father, mother. Okay, there are lots of people are there. Among them or through the crowd, he called as father, mother. He ran all the directions and all the places of the fairground. Okay, there are some questions there. Would he find his parents over there? He can find his parents there. Or would anybody help him? There are lots of people are there. Would anyone can help the boy? If you were the child, what would you have done? If you were the child, നിങ്ങളാണ് അവിടെ ആ കുട്ടിയെങ്കിൽ, what would you do? നിങ്ങൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും ചെയ്യുക? Okay, all of you take page number 109. Activity number 3. Thoughts. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. The child pleaded earnestly to his father and mother. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there. He looked around. There was no sign of them. Father, mother, he called aloud. He began to cry in real fear. He ran hither and hither in all directions. He did not know where to go. What would be the child's thoughts? Imagine and write it down in the space given below. Okay, we say that tried to find out his father all the way. He ran here and there, and he looked everywhere, but he can't find his parents. At this time, what was the thoughts of the boy? Okay, oh my God, what happened to my father and mother? Okay, where were they go? Okay, where they go? Okay, what happened to them? Okay, I didn't want anything, but I just want to see them. He thinks like that. Okay, today's work is you must write the activity 3, the thoughts of the child. Okay, I think all of you understand today's class. Okay, today wind up our class. Thank you.